So, what's happening with the real estate market now? You hear a lot of people saying the market's slowing down, it's a buyer's market. Um, any of you that know me know that I like numbers. I like to see the why behind things. And really, rather than going on assumptions, I like to look at numbers. So, let's dig into those a little bit today. Michael Baird here with the Baird team, Home Sales CO. Got a few numbers here for you, some stats I pulled. Going back 5 years, I think we looking at things historically over time can really give a good idea what direction we're headed, where we've come from, and really what the market is looking like. So if we look 5 years ago, our average days on market for homes in Denver was 25 days, and the average sales price was $385,385. That was 5 years ago over a 6 month kind of summer period. Okay. If we go 4 years ago, our average days on market was 21 days, so 4 days faster than 5 years ago. Our average sales price was 440, or a 14% increase over 5 years ago. So from 2014 to 2015, prices on average in Denver went up 14%. That's pretty cool. So 3 years ago, we look at our average days on market was 26, bumped up a little bit. Our average sales price was 479, or almost 100,000 more than 2 years previous. That 479 average sales price was 8% more than the previous. It was 8% more than the previous year. So if you look at that, 4 years ago we had a 14% jump. 3 years ago we just had an 18% jump. And our average days on market was 5 days longer. So the market was maybe not quite as hot then. We go 2 years back, average days on market 22, so quicker again, and our average sales price was 524,000, or 9.5, almost 10% higher than 3 years ago. So again, that jump in price goes up closer to 10%, and the days on market goes down to 22, a little lower. So if we look at 1 year ago, our days on market average was 22, so pretty quick again. Our average sales price was 570,000, or 9% more than the previous year. So pretty strong correlation there again. Average days on market goes down 22, average price goes up by 9%. Whereas if we look 3 years ago, our average days on market was 26 days, and the prices only went up 8%. So a little slower growth. Now, fast forward to now, over the last 6 months, our average days on market, 29 days, almost a month. So the longest out of any time in the past 5 years. Our average sales price is 593,000. Of course, this is all over Denver, counting all homes, or a 4% increase over last year. So what do we see? Over the past 5 years, we've had a 14% increase, 8% increase, 9.5% increase, 9% increase, and this year 4% increase. So we're still in a good inclining market, but it's turning towards a little bit more of a buyer's market, or at least a little bit more of a balanced market. And we look at the days on market being higher, and we look at the sales price still going up, but just not by that 9 to 10 to 14% that we've seen over the last 5 years. So what does that mean for you as a consumer? Well, hey, if you're looking to sell your house, the market's still good, prices are still up, but you kind of have to change your thinking from the last 5-6 years to, hey, my house has gone up 10% a year. It's done that over the last year. Prices haven't really bared out to that. It's more along that 4% line. You're still getting some appreciation, but not as much. Now, if you're a home buyer, you're looking a lot better. Interest rates are really low right now. Prices haven't gone up as much as they have over the past 5-6 years, and days on market's a little longer. So you're running into more houses that don't have multiple offers, that are easier to get. You're able to make an offer and actually get into something without having a ton of competition. So all in all, I think the market is really healthy right now. Days on market is reasonable but higher, giving buyers a little bit better chance. And average sales price is still up, but hasn't skyrocketed as quickly as the past 5 or 6 years. So it really makes things even out a lot more and just kind of be a lot more equal for both sides. And I think we're going to see a lot more deals come together that are good for both sides, as opposed to the last 5 or 6 years. We've seen a lot of deals that are great for the seller, but the buyers are giving away a lot. So hopefully this has helped. If you have any questions, reach out to us. All our contact info is going to be below. Michael Baird with the Baird team, and we will talk to you guys next time. Have a great day.